Here is how we can fix when apps are not compatible with the iPad. Let me talk about it and explain that. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So first of all, if your apps are not compatible, I would make sure that I run the latest version of the iPad OS, which is a standard device, but usually the new versions of apps are fixed or tied to specific iOS and iPad OS versions. So just go to the settings, general and software update and install anything if there's something available. But outside of that, what I would do is that I would go to the App Store and tap on my profile in the top right. This is going to give me the ability to browse the apps and go to the history of the applications. And you might be wondering like what's really going on in here, and it kind of depends on your specific use case. But my point is that you can get at the apps which were available on the App Store before, like the older versions of the apps. So if your iPad is not compatible with the latest edition of the app, in many cases you can get the older version. So if I should give you an example, I actually need to bring in here my iPhone in here, because you are probably familiar with the Etsy platform for selling some stuff, right? And if you look it up right now on the App Store, we can see that we have the regular Etsy app where you can purchase things and shop. And we also have the Etsy seller, which is for people selling on the platform. But in the past, there used to be another application which was called Sell on Etsy, and it got replaced by this Etsy seller. But the point is that if I want to get this application, it is no longer available on the App Store. But on the iPhone, I can go to my App Store, go to my account, and go to the previous apps and actually get the app and download it onto my phone, even though it is no longer available on the App Store. So my point is that you might be in a situation where your phone or iPad doesn't support the latest one, but you can look up the older previous versions of the app and get it from this place. And in many cases, it will get the job done. So let me know if you managed to fix it or if I was able to explain it properly. For more tips and videos like this one, stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later.